All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. So we're going to do a quick upgrade to the GoPro Hero 9. So this is the current lens on my GoPro Hero 9. You can see it here. It's got the media mod attachment on it. And what I was looking for is a wider, sort of a bigger view, so that when we're doing the moto vlogs, you get a better view on the top and also get more of the bottom and more on the side. So essentially, we're going to expand the field of view with this mod. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like with this lens, and then we're gonna do a quick unboxing here, and then we're going to install the new lens on the GoPro 9, and then we'll go back and do another view and do a comparison. I'm also using the Rode wireless mic now. Hopefully it sounds clear. Give me your thoughts in the comments below. All right, so I'm going to show you the view now real quick of what it looks like with this lens on, and then we'll do a quick unboxing, swap out the lens, and test it out again.
Just check it out. So this is the view. I've got the 360 mount around here. This is a new mount that I purchased. If I like it, I'll come back and do a review on it. Hey, that took a little longer than expected. Alright, let's see what we got.
Alright, so I'm actually using the regular lens on the GoPro 9 now to film this. So this again is the Max Lens mod. Waterproof. You can use Max Hyper Smooth, Max Time Warp, and Horizon Lock with it as well. And what it does, it expands your field of view to 155 degrees. All right. That was simple enough. This looks pretty cool. Nice. So I'm going to actually swap them out now, and we'll come back and then give you the view on this one. All right, I'm back. So essentially, I didn't show it on the video, but all you need to do is twist it, take the other one off, and then align the slots, twist it again, and then this one goes back on. It's that simple. So you can see the field of view is much larger and it looks pretty good, but we're going to try it out on the motorcycle and see how much better that looks.
Alright, now we have the Max lens on. Much better. Much wider field of view. Again, you're getting 155 degrees. I forget how much the angle view is on the regular lens. I'll have to look that up, or if you know it, just leave it down in the comments. Alright, so this is the view. So what do you think about this view? Leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you think. You like this better? Is it worth the upgrade? Let me know in the comments below.
All right, everyone, there you have it. Here's a picture of what it looks like on the helmet. So let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below. Is it really worth it to update? Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And hit that bell icon so you can be reminded anytime I update future content. Thanks for watching.